Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Tatlo.
No. Isa. Dalawa. Konti.
Konti.
Konti. What's konti?
Tatlo.
No, just konti.
What's konti in English?
Bisaya ka ba? Punti?
Mas konti.
Mas konti? What's mas konti? Konti.
Mas konti.
What?
Mas konti.
Ano yun? You're funny.
Ayun, talk to me in English. I'm recording.
No. You talk that to Lola?
She's mad.
She's not mad. She's just
No,
asking.
I'm not
She's
mad.
mad. She's not mad. Look at her face. Is she mad?
No.
Let me see a mad face. Paano yung mad face?
No.
No more?
You tell me story. Jacob, tell me story.
Lola yun.
Where's your daddy? Where's daddy?
Word. You tell Lola the story about the cake.
What about the
Come on,
cake?
tell Lola.
Look the book.
The storybooks?
Okay.
Okay, you tell Lola
You tell me the story
storybooks.
about the storybook.
What about the book?
No, the cake book.
Oh, the cake. Oh, come on, you tell Lola. Watching World, and then what happened?
And then
What?
and then up. And then it come up.
And then they come up,
Yes.
and then the boy. And then
Yes.
what happened?
And then follow.
And then they hulog.
Where Tagalog English?
Like Joker.
Oh, the letter O fell.
Yes.
And then,
K.
and then,
J. Oh, fell the same.
they all fell. All the letters fell.
K. E. R. S.
And then what happened to the letters?
It fell on the O.
Letter O fell.
Yes.
And then, did they fix it?
Yes.
We're not telling them the story. Ouch. How
You're the
about
one to tell the story, Jacob. Tell me the
how
story.
about the story, the bump and thump? Come on.
No. Just
How about the pirates and mermaids?
no. Even storybots.
The storybots, okay.
Storybots.
You're gonna turn off na Lola if you read storybots. You get the GHI.
Okay.
Come on, you get it. Get GHI. Come on.
What's GHI? Is that the book Tita Donna gave you,
Yeah.
Jacob? Did Tita Donna gave you
No.
that?
No, it's a Sesame Street. Turn on the light,
Oh,
okay? Turn on light so you can read it.
No.
No, just read it. Oh, come on, open it. You read. The Sesame Street.
Look. The house.
Yes.
And then another one.
Huh?
And then another one.
Yes. Come on, you have to sit down right here. So that
Oh,
doesn't
so.
see. Have some more. Oh, here. Here, sit down here. Oh, here. Oh. Yung sabi?
No. And then
Oh, you read. The Sesame.
the Sesame Street Library. Oh.
Volume.
The Sesame Street Library with Jim and the Muppets. Volume 4. Future.
Featuring.
The letters G, H, and I, and the number 4.
Number 4. Open mo yung book, oh.
Who is
Oh, who's that? Who's that?
Count Dracula.
This is Count
What
Dracula.
is that?
Ate Joy, this one. Who's this? Yeah, that's Ate. Who's this one?
Okay, we're listening.
Hindi ko
Are you
nakikita
listening?
mo
I
ako.
told you tell about the story. G. Name that G
I
word.
don't
Okay.
understand, Jacob.
And, no.
That's Goldilocks.
Yeah, you read it to Lola. And he
It's
does.
like Goldilocks.
Yeah,
That's funny.
that's funny, Goldilocks. And now, oh, come on.
Where's other Joy?
Ate
I
Jojo
don't
is
understand
Oh,
that
that's
English.
Mm.
I only speak
And
Tagalog.
now, oh yeah, sabi na Ate Joy,
It's CD.
sabi na Ate Joy, you have to read this.
Yeah.
Come on. And now, it's time for everybody's favorite game show. Go.
I share it in Facebook.
G. Word.
The G word. Okay, name. Go. Name.
Mr. G.
Louder. Name. Shout mo.
Name that G word.
And,
I can't hear you.
ay, Lola can hear you now. And loud.
Ay,
And
ano ba yan?
here's like that.
And here's
Louder pa.
and here's. Well,
Hi?